Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to configure the load entity and load current entity in vDesigner 2.0. This task is to dynamically add and edit form data. This allows you to create multiple form entries, edit specific ones, and manage data efficiently in a business entity. Load entity: when this task executes, it loads and activates the entity for data transaction. The data transaction includes activities such as setting the data or getting data from a specific data path or data object. Load current entity: the load current entity task allows the end user to access the second level information after he clicks the first level information. For instance, you can apply the load current entity task to pick the index of an item in a list element that the end user clicks to access the second level information. Our requirement is, when we click on the Go to Form button, it should navigate to the form page and add one object to the array. Let's begin by creating an entity. Navigate to VDLC, then Design and Architecture, then Data Modeler. Click Create Entity. Provide a key here, Form Details. Set the entity type as Business Entity and then click on Create. Double-click your entity form details, click Edit, and here you'll generate the JSON structure. Here, we have a list called Form Data. Inside that, each object holds two attributes, name and IFSC code. Click the blue arrow, then click Save. The entity is now updated. Now, link this entity to your Data Modeler. Go to Data Modeler tab. I have already created. So, here, I'm using API config DM. Open it. Click Link Entity. Select Form Details. Check the box, and click Link. Now, go to App Settings to link your Data Modeler. Go to the Data Modeler section and select your Data Modeler. I have already linked my Data Modeler. Next, go to vDesigner. We'll now add a load entity task in the task group triggered by the Go to Form button. Go to the Events tab. Edit the relevant task group. Drag and drop load entity into the execution section. Set its sequence as first. Click on the entity selector, choose the form details.form data entity. For the path, click Attribute and navigate to form details.form data. In the path, replace index 0 with n, so it creates a new object each time. Click Update and then OK. First, we'll go on the form which we had already mapped into Go to Form button. Configure the name and IFSC code fields that appear on the form page. And these fields of data are going to be stored in an entity, which we have already created JSON at the start of the video. Now, go to the properties of the name field. Go to Data tab and in the entity path, choose form details.formData.name. Replace 0 with I, then click Apply. Repeat the same for IFSC code field. Go to Data tab and in the entity path, choose form details.formData.ifsc code. Replace 0 with I, then click Apply and save. In this video so far you have learned. Used load entity and mapped fields to the entity. See you in the next part of this video. Thanks for watching and happy learning.